Cutting your losses, smart decisions in tough times. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important phrase that you might come across in English conversations: cut one's losses. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also offers insight into a practical strategy used in both personal and business decisions. Let's explore what it means to cut your losses and how you can apply this concept in various aspects of life. Cut one's losses is an idiom that refers to the action of stopping a losing activity to prevent further loss or damage. It originates from the world of business and investing, where it's often better to sell off an underperforming asset than to hold onto it and risk even greater losses. However, this phrase can be applied to a wide range of situations beyond finance, including personal relationships, projects, and more. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. Investing. If a stock you've invested in has been steadily losing value, you might decide to sell it to avoid further loss, even if it means taking a hit. Business projects. A company might cancel a project that's over budget and behind schedule to focus resources on more promising ventures. Personal relationships. Sometimes, people decide to end relationships that are more harmful than beneficial, acknowledging the emotional toll and moving forward. These examples highlight the essence of cutting your losses, recognizing when continuing a certain course of action is more detrimental than beneficial and making the tough decision to stop. Understanding and applying the concept of cutting your losses can save you from significant harm, whether financial, emotional, or physical. It requires honest assessment of the situation, acceptance of the current losses, and the wisdom to prevent further damage. This phrase encapsulates a critical decision-making skill that involves knowing when to let go, which is invaluable in navigating life's challenges. Cut your losses is more than just an idiom. It's a valuable life strategy that encourages proactive decision-making in the face of adversity. By learning when to apply this concept, you're not just expanding your English vocabulary, you're also equipping yourself with a tool for making smarter, more considered choices in life. We hope this explanation helps you understand the importance of knowing when to cut your losses and how it can lead to better outcomes. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.